Paul Basolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center and ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the second test from this newly released practice test 1 for the digital SAT. Sentence reads, "It is by no means blank to recognize the influence of Dutch painter Hieronymus Bosch on Ali Bannister's paintings. Indeed, Bannister himself cites Bosch as an inspiration. However, some scholars have suggested that the ancient Mesopotamian poem Epic of Gilgamesh may have had far greater impact on Bannister's work. Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase?" Notice I underline the word inspiration because in these sentence completions, oftentimes you'll find a synonym or an antonym to the blank already in the sentence. It looks like our blank is an antonym to inspiration. Why? Because it's no means an opposite of inspiration that the influence of Bosch had on Bannister if Bannister cites Bosch as an inspiration. So what's the best opposite of inspiration that could describe the influence that one painter has on another? Unimportant would be the opposite of inspiring or inspiration. Substantial, satisfying, and appropriate just don't fit the blank quite right. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with sentence completion questions. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.